yeah, this thing here, I mean, it just seems to, it does staples very well, but pins, these are the nails, they're more like pins, and apparently I figured it out. It's not very clear. It's they actually go in not that one, but the one next to it, and you can only put one in at a time. I mean, that's just brilliant, nice, isn't it? It'll speed up lots of jobs, that will, and you can get the thing to close properly. And this is that's one I did earlier. There's a better one. You can see that. There we go. So, yeah. What a brilliant product. But no, the staples are good. But for pins, it's absolutely brilliant.